Subtract the two fractions and write the difference in simplest form. Okay, so these two fractions do not have the same denominator, so I need to give them a common denominator in order to be able to do the subtraction. So I have 5 over x plus 6 minus 2 over x minus 6. So I put some big fraction bars so that I can build a common denominator. So this is like that toy box analogy. So this is the toy box and this is the toy box. And think of these as the toy boxes for two different kids, and they must have identical toy boxes to avoid a big problem. Okay. So this one has an x plus 6. This one's going to need an x plus 6. And this one has an x minus 6, which means this one's going to need an x minus 6. So I have to add an x minus 6 to this toy box, but I also have to put it in the numerator. And this one needs an x plus 6 plus 6. Okay. And then I can simplify the numerators. So I have 5x minus 30 over the common denominator, x plus 6, x minus 6, minus 2x plus 12 over the common denominator, x plus 6, x minus 6. And then to subtract, I have to remember to distribute this negative sign to both terms of that second fraction. So I'm going to have 5x minus 30 minus 2x minus 12 over the common denominator, x plus 6, x minus 6. So when I simplify, I get 3x minus 42 over the common denominator, x plus 6, x minus 6. And this question only asked for the numerator, which is 3x minus 42, option C.